So, for example, where are we? So, when the ball was equal, I also put in the fact that it was no longer above or below. So I set those to 0
Ah, okay.
frequencies. So
This should
it now
be.
has got more contextual information. Because the trouble was, when we changed ball pos equal, the system didn't know that above and below weren't still true.
I agree, because it
So
wasn't applying closed words or something. Because it
exactly,
shouldn't.
yeah. So I thought I'd put these in, and that seems to have helped as well. It can now be
The,
more,
the,
yeah,
the reason why I did not put them in before is because, especially when we had the SDM induction, it was overwhelmed by the amount of
yeah,
events.
yeah.
But with
Too
a
many possibilities.
context-driven, with a concept-based selection strategy of temporal inference contour, there is no issue like this anymore. So
Okay.
attention selects what should be used together in temporal inference, exactly as it should.
Yeah, yeah. I did try see if it would work without the structural reward and choice rules for goals, but it definitely still needs those. It couldn't do it without them.
Mm-hmm.
Not yet, anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, There was one other thing that I was thinking about, and I kind of realized when I was watching the concept bag, I was looking at it, and there is a high level concept. Um, sorry, there's a concept for the hypothesis, of course, because it's a valid statement. So there's a concept form for that, and it will receive the goal. Now I know we've spoken about um, not allowing the goal to be satisfied anywhere except in the concept that holds its
Ah,
goal. But
I don't
I'm
agree. We've changed this. The reason why we should indeed also satisfy it in other concepts is to be able to change the budget of the core based on its satisfaction. So I think it's not right anymore to
okay.
only
Good.
only satisfy it in the concept where it is in. This was still the case.
No, well, it is at the moment, but I haven't
Oh,
changed. Cause I wanted to just talk that through with you because I think what the policy is actually what we can do here is allow it to be satisfied wherever, and then send out a message or a task to task dispatcher with the goal with its new degree of desire, so that updates everything that has that goal in it.
what? I'm not sure I understand.
Okay, so if a goal gets satisfied by say the this concept here that's got this hypothesis in, um,
Mm-hmm.
it could still get satisfied somewhere else as well. So to
Right.
avoid that, um, we we send the goal out um, as a task dispatch with its updated desire level, and it gets dispatched to all the places where that goal is, and that will revise the existing goal
Uh,
levels.
I'm not sure whether this is needed, because if this score is desired because it was entered in the system and dispatched,
Yeah,
so
but
you
how
want.
do we stop it being satisfied in multiple places at the same time?
Why should we stop this? It's satisfied in different concepts to different degree.
Well, I'm just thinking if it's doing something. I mean, in the case of just moving the ball down, it's not a problem. But if it was something more significant, like it's a mathematical operation, well, I
Mm-hmm.
suppose it's still going to be just generating
Right.
the same
It
input.
right. It can just be inconsistent in some concepts, but
Okay.
I think this is a disadvantage we have to bear because the benefit of it is that concepts are really only processing locally, and I think this is a nice property of the system as a whole.
Yeah. Okay. No, that makes sense.
In the old versions, there was the idea that different task links uh, were were able to link the same task in the way that if in one concept the task is satisfied, or for example it's a question and it has a good answer, that it would automatically also be satisfied in the other concept. This is something we might try in the future, but I think it's not that beautiful. I mean, it has certain benefits that it's really consistent that the task exists once in the system but is linked from different concepts. To some degree, this is beautiful, but to some other degree, it means that there is some shared state between concepts, and this is what I don't like. It's especially against the idea of having concepts to be distributed computational units.
Yeah.
And so I think our new design is better, and it seems to work nice. And
Yeah. Well,
I'm really
it's
glad
definitely
with it.
working now.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay.
And also, just so if you look down here, you can see that the confidence calculation for the anticipations is producing much bigger results now.
I see.
They're
This is
like,
great.
yeah, yeah. So that's much better. So the hypothesis correction, I've turned off the print statements, but the hypothesis correction is doing a much better job now.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Also, mm-hmm. Great,
Okay.
great.
Well, I will. I'll check my changes before I commit it. Just make sure there's nothing that shouldn't be in there. Then I'll commit this.
Okay. And I
Anyway,
will go
happy
into set
birthday.
it. Thank you. I will
Are you doing
go.
anything special today?
Ah, yes. I will make somebody
Right.
with friends.
Good. Good. Good.
Yes. And now I have to go into the city to buy some stuff.
Okay. Well, have a great day, and
Thank
maybe
you.
I'll speak to you. Well, I'll probably not today, I guess, if it's your party, but maybe tomorrow.
Uh-huh. Or in
Okay.
1 hour. It can be that. But let's see. Have
Yeah.
a nice
Okay.
day.
And you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.